Anger and frustration on the streets of Barcelona on Friday. Thousands of workers from Catalonia's hospitality industry making themselves heard. They were protesting at the regional government's decision to close all bars and restaurants in the region for 2 weeks, the order coming into force at midnight on Thursday. The Catalan Premier insists the recent surge in COVID-19 cases has been so alarming he had to bring in tough measures now so as to avoid going back into a full lockdown later. Now, the issue that bar and restaurant owners in Barcelona have is that currently the infection rate in Catalonia is 263 cases per 100,000 people. That's exactly the Spain national average. Compare that to Madrid, where the rate is nearly double that, and yet the bars and restaurants remain open. Elsewhere, France has reimposed its state of health emergency following a record rise on Thursday of over 30,000 new daily infections in the country. President Macron said that the new measures for Paris and 8 other major cities include a curfew where residents will be confined to their homes from 9 p.m. until 6 a.m. Private gatherings are now restricted to no more than 6 people. All the new measures are expected to remain in place for at least 4 weeks. In the southern Italian region of Campania, schools have decided to close their doors to help slow the spread of the coronavirus. Local authorities, such as the one that governs Naples, Italy's third largest city, have opted to keep children away from school whilst continuing classes online. It's not a decision welcomed by the central government.
The contagion curve at school is very, very low. This means that we've been working efficiently to achieve a high level of safety for our children. This is also down to the schools themselves, people who work in those schools, and the students. So to close schools altogether in this way is not the best solution.
Italy recorded its highest daily infection rate on Thursday, with close to 9,000 new cases. Europe set a record this week for new infections, surpassing the United States in cases per capita. That makes the continent once again the epicenter of the crisis. Rahul Pathak, CGTN, Madrid.